Welcome to my channel MR Engineering Drawing for Fitter 2020 and a mechanical engineering student. How to make a cycloid. So the drawing will be like this: how to take a tangent and how to take a circle and everything. The question has been given: the circle of a 50 mm diameter rolls along a straight line without slipping. Draw a curve raised by a point P and the circumference one complete revolution of a circle. Name the curve. Draw the tangent to the curve point on a 40 mm for the line. I'll show you how to draw and how to take everything. Let us start. The diameter has been given as 50 mm, so that the formula is pi d is equal to 22 divided by 7 into 50 mm, so that it will get 157.14 mm. So the radius is 25. So now to take it 25 mm and how to draw. Okay friends, draw one line like this for the reference. Take 25 mm, draw one a radius, so it will be 50 mm. Okay, and divide into 8 parts. Usually it will come 45 degree. If you take 45 degree, then it will come 8 parts. So if you take 45 and you will get 8 parts. So I'll mention it this as P 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. From here what has come is 157 centimeter. 157 centimeter it has come. And take here one middle point like this. Draw one circle. Again the 25 mm only. Draw like this, so the drawing will come very neatly. You can draw very easily, so that it will come like this. After that, make one inclined line or acute angle or obtuse angle, you know already. Take 1 centimeter. 1 centimeter is equal to 10 mm. I'll make 8 part division. Keep on going. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 8. Where the 8 which is ending, this is the 8, this is the 8 part which is ending, join on this line, and using a protractor or a set square make a inclined line like this. 1 2 3 4 and 5 6 and 7, so that it will come 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7. This is will be the P point. Okay, this is the P point. So you can understand the drawing now. If you like this video, please share to your friends, put comment and everything. Then whatever your drawing you need, so that it will come like this. So I already extension the line like this. Take in the middle point, extension the line like this, so it will come like this. So again you take this one like this. Keep on going the vertical lines. so that it will come like this. This is CO, C1, C2, C3, C4, C5, C6, C7, then this will be the C8. Okay, so that again keep in the parallel line like this. The 7 where it has go, join like this. 6 already, then 5, then the 4 will join, and this. Okay, so the drawing will come like this. Then now to cycloid. Keep in a CO in the compass and C1 here. Keep in the C1 and CO. Cut one arc. Keep in the C2 and keep in the radius 25 mm. Cut one arc. Keep in the C3, cut one arc. Keep in the C4, see it will come 25 mm only. Again in the C5, keep like this. Again in the C6, cut one arc. Again in the C7, cut one arc. So the arc will be like this. So this will be the cycloid. So it's very easy. This is the cycloid. So it's very easy. This is the cycloid. You can mention here P2, P3, P4, P5, P6, P7, then the P8 here will come. So the drawing will come like this. After that we should take a tangent. So the circle is from this side, the point ends into 25 mm, so that we have to take 40 mm. See, we keep a scale like this. Where the 40 mm is coming, do like this and join this line like this. After that, take 25 mm radius from the point, cut one arc. So that this is called a normal tangent. So it is called as a normal tangent. This is called as a normal. So this is called as a tangent. If you had any doubt, please call me on WhatsApp me. Thank you for watching my channel. Thank you.